I had my procedure yesterday, and it was on the crown of my head, the top of my head, and the donor area was in the back. The procedure itself was very easy. I told a friend that actually going to the dentist and getting a teeth cleaning is probably more traumatic than this. So it was very easy, and it took less time than I thought it would. So it went very smoothly. Last night was fine. Had to sleep in an elevated position, which isn't a big deal. There's a little bit of soreness, but not really much at all. Not enough for me to even worry about pain medication.
Okay.
I looked in the mirror today, saw where the grafts have been placed, and I'm very positive and hopeful, and it looks like it's something that is going to work great. And I think I'll be very happy once everything grows in and it's all full.